Today I will show you how to use sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent, which are the 6 trig functions. In Excel. In your Excel workbook, under Formula tab, which is right here, then go to function library, which is the little book thingies here. Then click on math and trig, which is right here. And it'll drop down a menu that shows all the math and trig functions in alphabetical order here. Then choose which one you need and click on it. I'm going to show you cosine because it's closer. And pull this function array arguments box and enter your number. I'm going to enter 30. Just for fun. And it gives you your number in there. I'll see y'all later. Goodbye and see you next time on the channel.